Ugh, finally I have my dream fidget. I'm not trading it. I would only trade it if the offer is super amazing. But everyone here is so poor, so I'm not trading it. These fidgets are so boring. You guys, that girl over there has my dream fidget. I'm gonna go offer. Would you give me your spinning dimple for my rainbow poppet? You must be absolutely crazy. No. Then what do you want for it? How about a dimple digit, 3 wacky tracks, a poppet, a simple dimple, pink infinity cube, 12-sided fidget cube, a marble mesh, and a tangle. Oh, fine, I'll be back. There's a pink one. Can I give you my blue infinity cube for your pink one? Yeah, sure, why not? Thank you. One step closer. I really want to trade this dimple digits. It was fun at first, but I'm so bored. I'll give you something. How about these two? Yeah, I mean, sure, I guess. Yes! I just traded my poppet and I needed that. A random poppet! Come back, part 2. You guys, I fully broke my squirrel. This squirrel poppet was such a cool fidget. I guess I got a scam for this little guy. Oh. Trading pop-up squirrel. I mean, get in there. Pop-up squirrel. Ugh, this is legendary. Any offers? Oh my god, me. How about this baby Rubik's Cube, and that. Can I just have a second to think about that trade? I'll be back. Guys, she's so over, but I'm gonna try to get so much out of her. Add. I don't have anything else. Well, be clever then and look for some. Fine. I found a poppet. No way, and a fidget pad. Let's go. I'll add my poppet and a legendary fidget pad. Girl, you're still really under, but, you know, I feel nice, so I'm gonna accept. Thank you. Oh yeah, and one last thing. How's it feel to get scammed? Bye, loser. Oh, finally it's the morning. Wait, oh my god, it's trading day. There should be a fidget around here to trade. I wonder where it is. Found it. You're kidding me, this is it. Looks like I'm gonna have to scam big time. Okay, act happy. I just got the best fidget ever. Trading legendary spinner dimple, going once, going twice. Me. Okay, but offer big. Sure, just let me go get my stuff. Got it. How about one simple dimple? Haha, very funny ad. This is so boring. Jeez, alright. Okay, I'll add another one. And another one. Does this fidget look like a joke to you? Ad, for heaven's sakes, ad. Alright, fine, calm down. Tangle, this worm. One of my fave fidget cube things. And my fave lobster poppet. I'm not adding any more, so... Oh my god, fine. That girl was literally so rude. Such an easy scam. Okay, let's go to bed. See you guys in the morning for another trade. We're gonna go fidget trading on our penny board, so let's go. 3. Skirt. I went too far, oh gosh. Okay, we're here. How aesthetic. Okay, trading my metallic green tangle. I'll do my tangle and that's it. You need to add. Add. Yeah, sure. Trade this stressful. This patty and this stressful. Guys, should I trade this? I don't know. Okay, fine. Trading dimple digits. Get a fake dimple and this simple dimple. Add. Yeah, sure. I think I'm gonna trade that. That. No. I wasn't happy with that trade anyways. Trading mini heart poppet, fake dimple, simple dimple, and tangle. Did you, this big dimple? Can you add, like, something small? Not another piece of it. Yeah, okay. I'm really bored of having this fidget. I think I'm gonna trade. Oh, let's see if this girl wants to trade me. Hi, so do you have an offer for my Orby ice cream? It's fine if you don't. Wait, oh my god, I've actually been wanting one of those for ages. I'll give 3 poppers. Like, I know I'm over, but like, yeah. What? No, I'm declining. Wait, but I'm so over. But I guess I'll add. My mini pop tubes. And that simple dimple. I'm really not happy with this offer. What the heck? Fine, I'll add. All my Nido cats. This butterfly dimple. Wacky track. These 2 things. 2 of these. And my last poppet. I mean, you're obviously still really under. Can I try out the dimple? Thanks. I guess this is okay. I feel like you should add a tiny bit. That's it, I'm declining. Okay, no, wait, fine, I'll do it. Oh my god, guys, she fell for it. So happy with that trade. My brother's gonna be trying to make me feel uncomfortable with my fidgets. Oh. No, I give up, I'm out. Okay, ooh, these are monkey noodles. It's so nice. Oh my god, no, you stretch it. There we go. Okay, here's a pea pod. Come out. No. It's broken. Oh my god, it comes out easily. This is harder than what I thought it was going to be. Ooh. Like these. Little tangles. Sounds like movables. It's called a tangle for a reason. Didn't need to do that. Last thing. Pop it, pop, 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 pop it. Let's walk on my fidgets. I'm getting kind of bored of my fidgets. I think I'm going to trade some. Oh wow, that girl over there looks really rich. I'm going to trade her and try and scam her. Hey, do you have anything to offer for any of my stuff? Don't really have a puzzle ball. Can I offer for that? Sure, but I only want good offers because this is like my favourite fidget. Okay. I'll give 2 poppets. Like, I know I'm over, but... Well, actually, I do love poppets, but add because, you know, the puzzle ball is like my favourite, so... Okay. I'll add a dimple. You don't look too happy about that. I'll add a dough ball as well. And a rainbow square poppet. How about that? I'm sorry, but you're really going to have to add. Splatman, slime tangle, bicycle chain, and a wacky track. You know what? I'm not happy with this trade. I think I'm going to decline. No, wait. 2 more poppets. Okay, it's a deal.
It's a rare, exclusive, limited edition charm bracelet.
Huh? Fidget trading with my best friend. Okay, who's gonna go first? You. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna trade 2 tangles. One's a pink, one's a green. I'll give you this, and a spiky ball, and a slinky. Yeah. I'm gonna trade this white cat. Okay. I have 3 of these, and I want the collection, so I'll give this 8-piece wacky track, I think. And this, that was a splat ball, but it's not sticky anymore. Yeah, but... Yay. Poke. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna trade avocado, fidget pad, pop tube, snake, this thingy, and my carrot that doesn't have a stop. All of that. I'll give you this mini Nido, this rainbow poppet, this, and a mini squishy as well. Yeah, I'll do that. Bye!
But then this is a cheese shape, and it's super cool. So I'm gonna show you it. I'm gonna stretch it. And yeah, there's...
As soon as I saw that, I knew I needed one. This is so cool. I got this giant cheese ball, and I think it's like a stress ball or something, but it looks really cool. Let's open this. Also, I got this from Amazon. Oh my goodness. Look at this. That is amazing. It has like a bunch of like different like little like indents in it, and the texture is amazing, and it's so fun because it is so huge. Although in this one there's like a lot of air in it too, which that's kind of annoying, but I still love to squeeze this, and I highly recommend this. Bye guys!